The reason behind you having to replace the whole valve cover is the design philosophy for the 35 engine was that they did not make these spark plug tube seals service separately. On the 37 engines, these are a separate gasket, so it drops the cost of this repair dramatically, but on the 35 engines, you have to buy completely brand new valve covers because these are not removable. Now, we at L-SPEC have tried to, there was one shop that had designed a kit where you cut these out and put new ones in. The issue we ran into is when you try to do that, during installation and operation of the vehicle, they come loose. There's really no way to keep them captive inside the valve cover with that design. So if you find something online where they instruct you to cut the old ones out and put a new one in, I do not recommend it. Sometimes it works, but in our experience, we found that after operation for about 10,000 miles, they actually start to vibrate downwards and then start leaking worse than they ever did before.